Animal A versus Animal B, who would win? In this face-off, we pit the kea against the macaw. The kea, a New Zealand parrot, excels in problem-solving, using its beak and feet to manipulate objects. They can even unlock simple mechanisms. On the other hand, the macaw, known for its vibrant colors, boasts exceptional vocal abilities and social behavior, forming strong bonds with their flock. Keas thrive in alpine environments, while macaws flourish in tropical rainforests. In a hypothetical confrontation, the kea's intelligence gives it an edge in tactical maneuvers, but the macaw's social intelligence and communication skills could sway the outcome. Ultimately, the kea's problem-solving prowess secures its victory.